Hi everybody, Naomi here for the Lindy's Gang Design team, sharing some inspiration with you with this art journal page. So today I'm working on a cotton sheet in my Dina Wakley blue journal, and I'm using my Lindy spray, and I'm starting with Bling-y Blonde. And then I'm moving on with my Kissin Kenickie Coral, and I'm painting them on straight out of the bottle with my watercolour paintbrush. So I'm moving into the second colour and leaving a gap, and then I go to at the end and blend them into each other. My next colour I'm using there is Pink Ladies Pink, and I continue that process all the way along. And I knew I was using 5 different colours here, so I've just eyeballed it and divided my page into 5. And this colour here is High Maintenance Magenta, which is a lovely bright. And I finish off with the T-Bird Turquoise. So once I finished that, I decided I wanted a bit more depth. And because I'd already put the colours down, I just went over some of it with directly with the sprays. And then I put that aside to dry, and I'm working on my stamped image. And this is a set from Funky Fossil. And here I am using some embossing ink. And then I'm using the Boogie Down Black embossing powder. And you'll see here I don't quite get the impression that I want on my butterfly, my first butterfly, but that's okay. I used it anyway. And I just pop that extra powder back into the pot. And here I am just using my heat embossing tool to set that embossing powder. So I do this a few more times, and then from that same stamp set from Funky Fossil, I add my quote as well. And I ended up using 2 quotes from that stamp set. And here I'm using my new magical shakers, and I use the London Summer Sage and the Dunka Biscuit Blue Green, and I'm making them up as a colour in my palette there to paint my stamped leaves. And my leaves are stamped with permanent archival black ink, because I don't want that ink to move once I put the colour on. Now, as I started painting my leaves, I realised I needed a bit more of a deeper green to go with my bright colours on my background. So I mixed up on the side of the screen there some drop dead gorgeous green. And then I'm just blending all those colours in together. And I love doing that with my magicals. They blend so well, you can't see the line between one colour to the next. And I do the same here with my girl, which is just a stamped image as well. And I've used the ink straight out of the spray bottles. And here I'm using one of the older magical shakers, the Black Forest Black, and I just make that up into a wash to put some splatters on. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process, and I hope you have a play with your Lindy's products and make some cool, bright, beautiful pages. Thanks for watching.